Vanessa Gentili and University of King's College.
My name is Michael Cameras and I go to school at Dalhousie University.
Priya, St. Mary's University.
Sam Kruger, University of King's College.
I would say that there's certainly a lot of stress on students right now, especially being in the acting program. There's a lot of performances as opposed to actual written exams, so that is a lot of stress on my body personally. There's a lot of stress to make sure that you're keeping healthy, but which is really difficult to do considering the high stress levels.
My level of stress is pretty high. I've got quite a few final projects to do and final exams as well.
On a scale of 1 to 10, probably an 8 right now. And then the rest of the semester, somewhere between 4 and 5.
Quite high, I would say like a 9 right now.
Well, personally, I make sure that every day I have at least 1 hour to do what I want, not what I think I should be doing, but something that I want to do, even if that means I get a bit less work done and I have to work a little bit more than normal. I think it really contributes to my de-stressing if I can just do what I want for a little bit during the day.
A good stress reliever is lots of exercise, which doesn't happen as much during exam times. So any chance to get some is fantastic, but it just doesn't happen as much as I would like.
I go for some runs, do some meditation, listen to some Pink Floyd. Well, I think that it's good that we have like quiet hours. They're like more regulated around this time, and I think that a bunch of the upper years are like coming to help us with our research papers, so I guess that's good. But I mean, this is my first year, so I don't know the extent that other universities take to help their students feel less stressed.
I think the school is offering enough. I don't think there's really enough incentive for all the students to take them up on what they're offering, though. I don't know how that would be solved in all honesty, but I think there could be a bit more reaching out by the university for students to take advantage of what they're offering.
We have a lot of tutorials scheduled in case someone doesn't know what the syllabus is even till the last moment. We have doubt clearing sessions and...
Yeah, I don't really know. I mean, I'm sure there are services offered, but like I'm not too aware of them.